So hello friends, welcome back to channel. We have learned about the cat command to view the content of file like test 1. Okay, so directory. Let's see what are the file we are having. Okay, we are having te file cat te. Okay, it is running line number. Also we'll mention -n. Okay, line 1 and line 2. But I will tell you another command. If you want to, this cat command is reading a file from top to bottom. Now I want to read the file from bottom to top. Then what we'll do, like cat and opposite of cat, tac and te file. Second file line is on upper and then first line. Okay, hyphen will not work here. So what's the use of this tac command? Like cat slash var log messages. Okay, var log. Then what we log we are having? Okay, let's assume we have to read syslog. Okay, this many line. Okay, just keep on reading. I think okay. These are the line. Let's not go with that. We'll create one fresh file vi slash test1. Okay, or let's do te file. We'll read it. Okay, this is the second copy. Oh, today is we for today. Okay, I have wrote 4 5 line. SENU. Okay, 6 line I have wrote in this file. Okay, now if I want to see all the file lines test t, so we are able to see, hi, this is this thing. But if you want to read a file from bottom to top, tac te. So the last line, second last line, third last line, fourth, fifth, and the first line. So cat will read the file from top to bottom and print it. tac will read the file from top to bottom and print it. Okay, both are able to, using both the command you will able to see the file, but in a different manner, top to bottom, bottom to top. So in a reversal method you can read the file. It is useful in very rare case when we are having long file and you want to see the bottom thing, you can use it, but it's not much useful. But might be you'll find useful in your environment. That's why I'm telling you this is a small command, just a reverse of cat tac. Okay, and the file name. So that's all for today video. This is the like fun activity to doing a reversal manner reading a file. Okay, see you in the next video.